Remember the 14-year-old from St. Anne who offers classes in an old wooden bar to students without access to online learning in his community? Well, this evening, our reporter Kian Morgan has an update on how things have improved since we last aired his story. We have more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
From chalk and plyboard to markers and whiteboards, the learning experience here at this old wooden bar has improved significantly. Early signs of better things to come. A lot has happened since our last visit to this makeshift classroom in Queen Heights, St. Anne, where 14-year-old Kelvin Peart teaches students in the area who do not have access to online learning. The outside still rustic, but on the inside, a big improvement. Benches replaced by tables and chairs, and bare walls now decorated with learning charts and stickers. Thanks to sponsors locally and abroad who donated after TVJ shared his story.
The writing was hard for the kids to see, and the whiteboard now is bigger and it can hold a lot of information for the kids to understand more.
But what hasn't changed is Kelvin's zeal.
Anything getting shared with the kids, call all the kids, if things come in school over, you call all the kids and come and receive them back. You never do this if you don't get nothing fight. You just do it off your own free will.
Today's class is small due to some students returning to physical schools for exams. Albeit, student participation has increased from 16 to 21. Still, Kelvin only accommodates 12 at a time.
I yesterday someone was telling me say, well, we can't keep the class longer. I said, but Kelvin and film class we do same, so that's why you have to cut it short from 9 till 2. So, yeah, man, people love it, man.
Today's cohort is called the Grade 1 and the 2 Achievers, and their ages range from 5 to 10. They're learning language arts and math, and it's clear they're grasping.
I remember one day Kelvin asked one of the kids, how old he is? He said 3-year-old. It was a 6-year-old kid met about. So they was way behind. So this happened now and they find out, so they start build up back now.
Not really, because she wasn't reading well, and since she started coming down here, she pick up.
For 6 hours a day, 5 days a week, Kelvin's dedication has not ebbed. Neither has the students.
Class start 9 o'clock. And for the day for 8. If you make seat and cheese, so you just sit down pan. Then who will want to come?
A few students received tablets and other school supplies. Kelvin also received some well-needed assistance, like a laptop and a full scholarship from his high school that will cover the rest of his tenure. He's thankful for everything he has received, but more excited for his students. It's his dream to one day replace this structure with a homework center.
I believe this will make a good impact because one day one of these students might become someone special, maybe a teacher, the next prime minister, or a doctor. And I am glad that I was a part of their education or development.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.